This is the ITel A60 4G. For 45,000 Naira, the ITel A60 is the cheapest 4G device, making 4G connectivity affordable in a classy, beautiful, and durable body. I personally love the bold design with the big camera rings and boxy edges. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this video, we will unbox and examine the ITel A60 device. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified when I post a new video like this one. The ITel A60 4G comes in a white and red colored pack. And in the pack are the phone, a hard plastic case for protection, a 5-watt charging brick, a micro USB port, and a pair of red earphones. ITel A60 has a premium finish, and the color I have here is called Dawn Blue. It has a boxy look and a bold, creative camera arrangement with a fingerprint sensor looking like it's part of the camera bundle. I think it looks so much like the Infinix Smart 7 Plus. What do you think? On the top edge is the headphone jack, the bottom has a loudspeaker grill, a micro USB port, and a microphone. The right side has the volume up and down buttons as well as the power button. The left side has the SIM tray, which takes 2 nano SIM cards and a memory card. ITel A60 has a massive 5000 mAh battery and can easily last you through day 2 on a single charge. It has a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with some bezels and a water drop notch. It has a fingerprint sensor for security that is elegantly integrated with the camera module, and it is very accurate and responsive. Additionally, although not very snappy, it has a facial unlocking feature. The ITel A60 has 32 gigs of storage space, of which 26 gigs is usable, and it also has 2 gigs of RAM. Here, speed is about what you'd expect from a low-cost gadget or low-cost smartphone, but the ITel A60 feels smarter and faster than other products in this class while still being the most affordable of the bunch. But is this really the least expensive 4G smartphone available? Yes, in an effort to refute ITel, I actually went to the market looking for an alternative. Only the Redmi A1 Plus, which costs 10,000 Naira more than the ITel A60 but has very similar specification, comes close to the ITel A60 in the market. The ITel A60 has a dual 8-megapixel camera setup on the back and a 5-megapixel selfie camera. Here are samples from the camera. Okay, selfie video quality from the ITel A60. Yeah. ITel A60 4G runs on Android version 12 Go edition, which has a clean design and a UI that matches the color of your wallpaper, just like what you get on Google Pixel devices. You can get this device for 45,000 Naira, and when you do, you get 1.5 GB plus 3 gigs of data free of charge when you activate the device with an Airtel 4G SIM. Also, you get 5 GB of data every time you recharge your Airtel line for the first 6 months. Overall, I feel the ITel A60 is perfect for people looking for an affordable but capable and beautiful 4G phone that can perform basic tasks like browsing the internet, making phone calls, and taking photos. If this video was helpful, please like and share it. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and don't hesitate to check out other videos showing on your screen right now. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.